Okay, I'm going to make a couple of improvements on this. One is you'll see, like, my original idea was to have this blue part here, the dark blue, the bottom of that circle to be flat or tangent with the bottom of this so that when it prints, it's all flat. But then I didn't realize, oh, this comes down. So what I really want is the top of this circle flat with this. So how do I change that? Well, you got to find which sketch, and so you hover, 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 hover until you find, oh, that one. That's the sketch that made the circle. I'm going to edit that, and you'll see that that sketch is uh, constrained so that the bottom touches this. So I'm going to get rid of this constraint here, delete that, and then instead, now I can move this down, and I want the constrain it. Let me get a right view here. Constrain it so that dot to that. Oops. I don't want it to be coincident. Undo. I want a distance, a dimension from that center dot to that to be 4. Okay. Well, let's see what it does now. So check. Okay, look at that. It made this top bit. Now I got to check other things. Was anything else affected? Yeah. See how this piece is now inside. It overlaps the bottom. So now let's go find where did we push that kind of rectangle down that's here. I'll show you what I'm talking about. It was, let's see. That was all that stuff. Extrude 13, I thought. No, 12. There it is. You can see that that rectangle needs to get pushed down some more. So I'll edit that one there, and I'll just pull it down till it looks about right. Yeah, and then I'll go here and say, let me try 5.5. Yeah, now I got that gap, that little bit of clearance there, and I'll accept that. And that should work, although that fillet is not generating correctly. So I wonder if that's a big deal. Oh yeah, I remember that fillet. And this is here. So I'm going to have to take some more material out of this. And I can do that by sketching on top of here. And let's make a rectangle from here to like here. And extrude, get rid of it. Remove. And let's just go to a face. And the face I want, let me get rid of the bottom and just say up to that face there. Sweet. And let's say, okay, let's see what that looks like now. Maybe a little bit too much, so I'll change that so that there's not that hole there. So that is this sketch. I'll edit, and let's make that distance there to right about there. Let's dimension it. Let's make it 4.5. And there we go. And then this dimension should be 10. So let's just make that 10. There it is. That's much nicer. Cool. I don't think I want it 10 because then it's right up against there. So let's edit that sketch that I just did and make it 11. There we go. That's better. Then you can do a similar thing to the other side. Actually, I'm going to mirror. Let's mirror what we just did. And that was these last two features, not part, but feature. It's the extrude and the sketch. And the mirror plane is that guy. And there it did it. Okay, I think we got her. Making changes after you've built the whole thing to make improvements. There you go.